Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa. So today I am doing an entirely new collaboration. This is with Kokorosa Studio. They are a online website for all things crafty. Think die cuts, clear stamps, embossing folders, papers, all sorts of crafting tools, anything you would need for junk journaling, mixed media art, etc. And their prices are amazing. And they sent me this package for my honest review. I am really happy to be working with them. And let's dive right into the package. I do want to let you know right up front that I have a great discount code for 25% off with Lisa25. I will leave the link down below with my code, and I want to thank them for sending me these lovely items for my honest review. Well, first of all, they did allow me to pick everything from the website, and there were a ton of things to pick. It was a hard decision. Oops, I left one thing in the bag. It was a hard decision, but it was really a lot of fun, I have to be quite honest. So let me show you everything I got. This video is a show, and the next video I do is I'm going to show you what I made with all these things. So first thing is a stencil. They call this a caged bird stencil. And stenciling is great to use with inks and with media paste. Let me see if I can, yeah, let's use this background. So there's quite a few things here. There's little stars, there's this bird, this design, and this design right here. I love things to do with birds. I've been watercoloring birds and drawing birds like crazy in my journal, so this is going to be a fun stencil to play with. This was only $2.39. And while I have this out, this is a 6 by 6 inch paper pad. It's by Serenity. It is 24 pieces of paper, 6 by 6 inches. Get out of the package, and it's just gorgeous. I just love the designs. So you have 2 of each design, and it's very whimsy and great for the fall. So I'm just going to show you the 2 of each design. I love the red poppies there. There is some slight lettering on this one. You got some holly berries and an owl with the faint lettering, the script. And this is some French, looks like French wines. Some tickets and just various ephemera. And by the way, the backs of these are plain white. So the design is just on one side. This is my favorite with the mushrooms and the poppies, like kind of like on a ledger. More mushrooms and butterflies and flowers. Here's some vintage looking botanicals. And then the last design is these mushrooms and poppies again. Oh, excuse me, this is the last design, this plain green. The paper is very nicely, it's thick, it's not flimsy paper. So this paper pad goes for $9.99 for 24 pieces. It's actually 160 GSM cardstock. I just saw that here on the package. And speaking of papers, I got this paper pack. This is an A5 size paper pack. A5 size is 5.8 inches by 8.3 inches. Beautiful paper. And there are, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8 sheets. 8 sheets. I don't think it doubles. No, it doesn't. Oh, no, it doesn't. It's 8 original designs. Let me go through it really quickly. Beautiful paper. Absolutely beautiful. This is my style. If this is your style, you'll be very happy with this paper pad. I almost hate to tear into some of these, and some of these would make great covers, but it's absolutely gorgeous paper. This cardstock also feels like 160 GSM as well, so it's really substantial. It's much thicker than computer paper, like regular printer paper. It's a little bit thicker. Okay, and then the last thing I got, I can't leave a store without getting some stamps. I really like this little folder it came in. Nice plastic folder. This is a set of blooming flowers stamp set, and it is $10.99. Wait till you see how pretty this is. Oh my. Put it against a piece of paper. Isn't that gorgeous? There. That's better. It's the flowers are poppies. And then they have some sentiments. See you soon. Hey, for you. Sending loving thoughts your way. And then 3 separate flowers with like some numbers in the background. So, quick recap. I got stamps. This beautiful retro style floral blooming papers. A5 style. A 6x6 paper pad pack. Gorgeous colors, great for fall. And then the last thing was this bird stencil with various designs. So I will leave the website down below. They're called Kokorosa Studios. They have a plethora of products on their website. You should really check them out. Lisa 25 will get you 25% off, and if you order $30 worth of product, the shipping is free. So one thing I really loved about this site is most subscription boxes are over $30. You can actually curate your own subscription box here and pay no shipping over $30. So take a look, let me know your thoughts, and I will come back with another video showing you what I do with these lovelies. And I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.